Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to activate Viaplay via viaplay.se. Activate. Follow these simple instructions to ensure a smooth activation process. Step 1. Launch your device. Begin by turning on the device you want to use for Viaplay. This could be your smart TV, streaming device, or any compatible device where you can access Viaplay. Step 2. Open the Viaplay app. Locate the Viaplay app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to your device's app store, search for Viaplay, and install the application. Step 3. Sign in or create an account. Once you open the Viaplay app, you will be prompted to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If not, select the option to create a new account and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 4. Navigate to activation. After logging in, look for the Activate option. This is usually found in the Settings or Account section of the app. Select it to generate an activation code. Step 5. Access viaplay.se. Activate. Using a web browser on your computer or smartphone, go to viaplay.se. Activate. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Step 6. Enter the activation code. Once on the activation page, you will see a field where you can input the activation code generated by the Viaplay app. Carefully enter the code and select the Activate button. Step 7. Confirmation. After submitting the code, wait for a confirmation message. This indicates that your device has been successfully activated. You may now return to the Viaplay app to start streaming your favorite content. Step 8. Enjoy Viaplay. With your device activated, explore the vast library of movies, series, and sports on Viaplay. Enjoy your viewing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.